Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about a way to create Elementor pages very quickly. I created this skill for a client where he has his clients for marketing, and he was looking for ways to automate the creation of the web page for his clients because he was taking too long, like a few days or sometimes even weeks. And now I reduced the time to a few minutes or hours because he's going to spend more time just reviewing and doing some tweaks rather than building the whole web page from scratch. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is the project folder I created. As usual, I added the .cloud and these three SKUs. So I created these three SKUs to make it easier to create the Elementor page, right? And I'm gonna make it available for everyone. It's the first link on the description, okay? So just go download it and put the files inside the .cloud/SKUs folder, okay? Cool. So after that, there are two ways of creating the landing page. If you have a client and you have the branding and every asset that this client wants to add to their website, the first thing you have to do is you can create a folder called assets, and then inside this folder you add every image and every text and really everything that you will need for the creation of this website. Okay, in this case I just created this MD file, this markdown with the branding for my website, okay, my landing page. So I have like the colors, I have the links, pretty much the branding of the landing page, which is just 88 lines of information here. It could be more useful, but as this is just demo purpose, I'm just making it smaller, okay? So when you have everything set, what you have to do is /Elementor Builder, and then you can write anything you want. So if you have an assets folder, you just say, I have my client or my assets folder, and I want you to have a look into that and create an Elementor website for me. All right, you can do that, but as I have my branding, I'm just gonna use this markdown. So I'm gonna say Elementor Builder. I have my Alec Dev branding that I want you to use to create the Elementor website. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that and see how it goes. So just hit enter and accept whatever it comes up. All right, so it's done. Now what you have to do is let's open this landing page, and now we have three files, right? The home, header, and footer. Just for this demo purpose, I'm gonna just ask it to please create only one file, home.json. Put everything, footer and header, into it. So just for demo purpose, I'm gonna do that, but for you, it would be nicer if you just leave separated and go to Team Builder and import there the footer and the header. So every time you create a new page, the footer and the header will be there. Okay. So yeah, let's see what the output is. All right, so it's done. Let's see now. What you need to do is, let me just go back to home. And if we go now to editor and templates, now import the template and choose file. And I'm gonna select the home.json and import now. All right, so it's done, it's here. And now let's see the output. Let's click in view. So here we have the header. Of course, the header is not stick to the top, but I guess it's because I just put everything in the same page, right? And we have featured projects, which looks nice. We have about me with a nice animation with the numbers here. SKU and technologies, very good. The footer, and yeah, that's pretty good. It's not bad. And now if we go back and let's click on edit with Elementor to see if we can see all the blocks of the page. And yeah, here we have all the blocks. Very good. If I want to click one and say hello, it's automatically added here and we can publish. So let's click here, publish. Let's go back and click on view again. And here is my hello, right? And so you can edit, see that you can create the web page way quicker than before with AI. And if you want to create websites like this, you just need to download the skills. It's the first link in the description, and you will have access to this skill to create these Elementor websites. And of course, this will speed up the way you create the page like way quicker. Okay, I hope you like it. If you like, thumbs up. If you want to see more content about automation and AI, just subscribe to the channel. All right, and see you on the next video.